Ever wonder how AI learns or how your child does? Turns out, they're more alike than you think. Here's a playful, screen-free way to show your child how both humans and smart machines learn from patterns and practice. Grab a handful of Lego bricks, some red, some blue, some with dots, some smooth. Start by sorting them into two simple groups, striped and plain. Do it slowly, saying, "This one has lines, so it goes here. This one is smooth, over here." Let your child watch. Then hand them a new brick they haven't seen and ask, "Where does this belong?" If they get it right, celebrate. If not, show them again. That's exactly how AI learns, by seeing lots of examples over and over until it spots the pattern. It doesn't understand stripes, it just knows that bricks with lines usually go in the striped pile because it's seen hundreds like it before. Now flip the game. Let your child teach the AI. You can pretend a Lego minifig is the robot. They show the Mini-Ig 5 happy builds, maybe towers with smiley flags, then 5 sad ones, crooked and falling over. After a few rounds, ask the Minifig to guess if a new build is happy or sad. Of course, it gets it right because your child trained it. This simple play teaches a powerful idea. AI isn't born smart. It learns from data, just like your child learns to tie shoes, recognize letters, or know when you're joking. The more good examples it sees, the better it gets. But it also shows the limits. If your child only shows red Legos, the AI won't know what to do with green. Pattern recognition is one of the earliest STEM skills, and it's also how real AI systems work, from sorting photos to suggesting songs. By using toys they already love, you're building their tech intuition without a single screen. Welcome to Genius Parenting, where big ideas grow through play. If you're loving these simple, brain-boosting activities that prepare kids for a tech-filled future, we're so glad you're here. If this idea sparked joy or a Lego pile on your floor, please give it a like. It helps other parents find us. Share it with someone who believes learning should be hands-on and joyful. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a tip on raising curious, capable, and kind kids in the age of AI.